Hey folks, we have already covered our express.js basics in our previous video. In this video, we are going to cover express.js routing parameters. So without further wasting any time, let's start. Before going to start this video, I have to introduce you about my two playlists, which is React and GitHub. So if you haven't checked out my playlist till now, then kindly check it out. The link is in description. So in this video, we are going to get the routing parameter from browser or user itself. So let's start with example. So let's say I have created a new route. Let's say app.get slash let's say user, and let's make a function which is accepting request and response. And now let's provide here column ID. The user will provide ID in this parameter users gem ID. So let's send something. Let's say response.send. Let's provide here user ID is, and let's provide a request the params.id. This is the syntax of getting ID from the user itself. Now let's try to run this node mode, and yes, our file name is app.js, and it's showing that something is wrong. Okay, let me remove this. Yes, now let's try to run it. So localhost 3000, and you can say hello world. Now let's provide the user. So it's saying that cannot get user because we have to provide here ID. So let's say I'm providing here 1, and you can see user ID is 1. Let's provide something else. Let's say 200, and you can see user ID is 200. Now let's provide, let's say here I have to provide name. So let's say name, and let's change this to name. Now let's provide name. So let's say CWW, and user is CWW. So that's how we can get the parameter, or we can get the user requested thing in our express.js. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.